Eyeshadow, and today I'm starting off with a fresh face. As you can see, I just washed my face. My skin is breaking out a little bit. I'm gonna try to get that under control, but for the most part, everything is fine. Let's get into this video. So today I have 2 new products by a company called Miskos Cosmetics. I got these products at a discounted price to review, and one is an eyeshadow palette, the other one is lipstick. So now I have the glitter palette right here. This is Miskos Cosmetics. It's a brand that you can find through Amazon. It is pretty inexpensive. It's about $20. It comes with a mirror and these beautiful glitter shades that you see right here. So pretty. I'm gonna do a look with these colors. We're gonna see how they go on. As you can see, they're very sparkly. It seems like it'll stick easily. Can't wait to try it out. Comes in this nice packaging right here. It's glitter, but it's not like a glitter that sheds off of the packaging, and it's nice and smooth. It's very cute. Comes inside of this. You just slide it out, and it has all the ingredients on the back. This company is animal cruelty free. Also from this company, I got these lipstick shades. Comes in this, so you take them out. And these are the shades. So the shades are from 1 to 6. So now we will start off with doing my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this primer. It's the No Pore Blend Primer. Just gonna go in and apply that to my face. I'm just gonna take a little bit, pat it around. It's time to get ready to apply foundation. Today I'm going to be using the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Going in with the Ardell Brow Pomade, which is a dark brown color. Don't care what you said, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you love me, but you never let me go. You know it was all fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can hear your heart, you never let me know. Not ever letting you know. What you said, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you love me, but you never let me go. You know it was all fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can hear your heart, you never let me know. Not ever letting you know. If you love me, but you never let me go. You know it was all fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can hear your heart, you never let me know. Not ever letting you know. Never letting you know. Shade in foundation by Black Radiance as a highlight. Never let me know. Black Radiance translucent powder.
I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you love me, but you never let me go. You know it was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can hear you crying, you never let me know. Not ever letting you know.
I'm gonna be using some primer on my eyelids. It is the Black Radiance Perfecting Eyeshadow Primer. I'm gonna start off with my must-have palette by Beauty Glazed. I showed this in my last video. I'm just gonna build up into the colors that I'm gonna be using for the glitter shade. I'm gonna start with some neutral colors. Start with this color right here.
Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can hear you crying, you never let me know. Not ever letting you know. Not ever letting you know. Don't care what you said, honey, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you love me, but you never let me go. You know it was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can hear you crying, you never let me know. Not ever letting you know.
Now let's get into this glitter. So I like how this looks so far. It's a little smoky. Take this palette and I'm gonna go in with this red right here. And I think that's gonna be cute. And I'm gonna just do the lid.
Say sorry, honey, but you never really show.
It is a little bit hard to brush it on, so you need to just pat it on a little bit. It's very easy to apply. So it looks like this when it comes up. This is just the one eye. Glitter is not falling off of my eyelid. It's not falling into my eyes, which is good.
Don't care what you said, honey, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement.
You have to keep on pressing it like this in order to get it to stay.
Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can hear you crying, you never let me know. Not ever letting you know.
Okay, so far, this is how it looks. Okay, so that was this red color right here. And I am gonna go in and add a little bit of this champagne color towards the bottom to give it a pop. And a little bit in the corners. So, what I think about this glitter, I really like the glitter. I really want to play around in the other colors of glitter just to see, you know, what I think about the other colors. But so far I'm liking this. I I like this color. It's cute. It's cute so far. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm going to add some mascara. So to complete this look, I'm going to take my Black Radiance matte lip color. This is in the color 5123. It's a red. I'm gonna just take that and apply it to my lip. And I just took this purple color, and it's also from Black Radiance in color 5120, and I'm just gonna pat that around my lips. Now I'm going to take some of my Black Radiance highlight.
Don't care what you said to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you love me, but you never let me go. You know it was all fire, you never let me go. Say you're sorry.
So this is my finished and completed look. This is my review for Miskos Cosmetics for their eyeshadow palette, the glitter palette that I showed you guys. I think it's a great buy. I got it at a discounted price, but I think it's worth the money. I think the colors are very nice. I really like how this red came out. And I think it's super affordable. So, why not? Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe underneath. Hit the like button. You can comment what next look you might want to see me do, and I will do it. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate you watching my videos, and there are more great videos to come.